Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine and safe at home. I am Rehana, mathematics teacher. Let's start Unit 1 Shapes and Space. First concept is inside, outside. So, related to this concept, they have gave a story. The title of this story is The Arab and His Camel. Let's start the story. The Arab and His Camel. There was one Arab and his camel. It was a cold winter day. During winter, the days are cold. Arab was traveling on camel back. So this man Arab was traveling. It means moving on camel's back. At night, the Arab pitched his tent and went inside it. At night, the Arab pitched, it means set up his tent and went inside it. The camel was outside. It was cold day. The camel was outside and Arab was inside the tent. May I put my neck inside? It is too cold outside. Camel is asking to Arab, may I put my neck inside? It was very cold day. Okay, you may put your neck inside. Arab gave permission to Camel to put his neck inside the tent. May I put my front legs inside? It's too cold outside. Camel was asking, may I put my front legs inside? You know, students, camel has 4 legs, 2 legs in front and 2 legs in back. Okay, you may put your front legs inside. Arab said, okay, you can put your front leg inside the tent. Can I come inside? It's too cold outside. You know, students, first camel has put his neck and next his front legs inside and now asking, may I come inside whole? Oh no, the tent is too small for both of us, Arab said. Oh no, the tent is too small for both of us. Only one can stay inside. So I am coming inside and you go outside. Camel said, I am coming inside and you go outside, feeling too cold to me. At last, what happened? The camel was inside and Arab was outside the tent. So, you have understood the concept of inside and outside. Let's move out to the next concept, that is bigger, smaller. Tick the bigger. Children, here you can see the picture of 2 animals. First one hippopotamus, second one puppy. Among these 2 animals, which one is a bigger? First one, hippopotamus. Next, tick the smaller. Here you can see the picture of 2 leaves. From this, which one is a smaller, first or second? Second. Yes. Next is the picture of squirrel and cow. From this, which one is a smaller, squirrel or cow? Squirrel is a smaller. Next, tick the smaller tire. Here you can see the picture. 2 children are playing with tires. First one has a small tires and second one has a big tire. From this, which one is a smaller tire, first or second? First one. Yes. Let's move out to the next concept, that is biggest, smallest. Here you can see 3 trees. Among this, which one is the smallest tree? Yes, first one is a smallest tree. So tick the first tree. Next, tick the biggest animal. Dog, cat, elephant. From this, which one is the biggest animal? Elephant is the biggest animal. So tick the elephant. Next, tick the smallest fruit. Mango, watermelon, cherry. Among these, which one is the smallest? Cherry. So tick the cherry. Tick the biggest bubble. Here you can see A boy is blowing some bubble. He has blow 4 bubble. Among this, which is the biggest bubble? So take the biggest bubble. Let's move to the next concept, top and bottom. Here you can see some children are playing. In the picture there is one slide. 3 boys are playing. What is top? Top means a certain distance at some height from the ground. What is bottom? Bottom means near to the ground. Children are playing with a slide. A child is at the top and 2 children are at the bottom. Now look at the tree. What is top of the tree? Bird is on the top of the tree. Where is the cat? The cat is at the bottom of the tree. Take the pot on the top. A potter is making pot. He has 3 pot. From this 3 pot, which one is on top? First pot is on the top. Next, take the animal at the bottom of the stairs. In the picture you can see 2 animals. Cat is on top of the stairs and dog is on bottom of the stairs. So here we have to take the bottom animal. So dog is bottom of the stairs. So take the dog. Let's move to the next concept, nearer and farther. Take the bird nearer to home. Here you can see the home. There are 2 birds, one in pink in color, other cream in color. Which bird is nearer to home? Yes, pink color bird is nearer to home. So take the pink color bird. Next, take the cat farther from the tree. There is a tree and there is a mouse near to the tree. So to catch the mouse, 2 cats have come. One is in orange in color and other one yellow in color. Which cat is far from the tree? Yes, yellow color cat is far from the tree. Let's move to the next concept, nearest, farthest. In picture there is a one boy nearest to the swing and the girl farthest from the swing. Let's start. Take the puppy farthest from the tree. Here one tree and 4 puppies. So which puppy is farthest from the tree? First one, second one, third one, fourth one. Yes, fourth one is farthest from the tree. Next, take the tree nearest to the bird. Here 3 trees are there. So which tree is nearest to the bird? First one, second one, third one. Third one is the nearest to the bird. Next concept, on, under, above, below. In this picture, so many children are there. Some children is on the table and one child is under the table. Where is the cat? The cat is on the table. Where is the mouse? The mouse is under the table. Where is the fan? The fan is at top. Where is the boy? Tell me, the boy is above or below the fan? The boy is below the fan. Now let's move to next page. In this page, they have given a picture to discuss. We have to discuss about near, far and top, bottom. In picture, you can see so many people. So let's discuss. What is at the top? Bird. What is at the bottom? 2 pots and 3 children playing at the bottom. Who is near to the well? A lady wear yellow dress is near to the well. In this way you can discuss the picture. Next concept, shapes around us. Basic shapes chart. Red color, it is called circle. Green color, it is called square. Blue color, it is called rectangle. Orange color, it is called triangle. Yellow color, it is called oval. Pink color, it is called diamond. Circle, square, rectangle, triangle, oval, diamond. Next, shapes around us. Put the shapes in pink and yellow box by drawing a line. One boy and one girl. Boy is collecting box shapes object and girl is collecting round shapes objects. We have to put box shape object in pink box and round shape object in yellow box. So do it by yourself. Next, match the similar shapes by drawing a line. Do by yourself. Same. Do by yourself. Next, rolling, sliding. In the picture, you can see many children are playing on slide. A boy is rolling the ball on slide, a girl is sliding the box on the slide. So, what are rolling things? The things which have no corner, no edges, it can roll is called rolling things like ball, marbles, etc. What are sliding things? The things which have corner, edges, not only that, it has flat surface area is called slide. Example like bat, pencil, etc. Tick the object that will roll. Here 4 objects are there. From this, which objects can roll? Answer, pencil, ball, onion. Next, tick the objects that will slide. From these 4 objects, which objects can slide? Suitcase. Next, story, wise grandmother. Let's start. Once there was a lamb going to see his grandmother. A baby sheep, that is lamb, was going to see her grandmother. On the way through the jungle, he met a wolf. I am going to eat you. While going through jungle to meet her grandmother, he met a wolf. Wolf said, I will eat you. Please let me go. I am going to meet my grandmother. You can eat me when I return. Lamb said, I want to see my grandmother, so please let me go. When I come back, you can eat me. Okay, you may go. Wolf said to Lamb, okay, you may go. When he was about to return, he told the grandmother about the wolf. The grandmother gave him an idea. Lamb said his grandmother that I met a wolf, said it will eat me. So when Lamb said about this to her grandmother, gave an idea to Lamb. Go and hide yourself in dholak. He did so. In the picture you can see a dholak, and grandmother said to Lamb to hide herself in the dholak, and Lamb did so. The grandmother rolled the dholak on the road. The dholak started rolling down. Here the grandmother rolled the dholak. The dholak started rolling down on the road. The lamb saw the wolf waiting for him. Did you see a lamb coming this way? No. Here, dholak has a two hole. A lamp saw the wolf waiting for him, and wolf asked to Dholak, "Did you see a lamp coming this way?" Dholak replied, "No." Once thinks children, can Dholak speak? No. Wolf grew suspicious and started running behind the Dholak. Here, the wolf grew suspicious, it means doubtful, and start running behind the Dholak. Before Wolf could catch him, the lamp reached home and was thankful to his grandmother. Here, the wolf got doubtful. Before the wolf could catch the lamp reached home and thankful to her grandmother. Next, match the shapes of same size. Here is the triangle of different size. So match the triangle with the same size. Next, match the same shapes. Here there are different shapes. First, circle, parallelogram, triangle, rectangle, semicircle, pentagon. Circle with circle, parallelogram with parallelogram, triangle with triangle, rectangle with rectangle, semicircle with semicircle, pentagon with pentagon. Match it. Color the smallest shape. First, square. Among this square, which is the smallest square, color it. Next, circle. Among this, which is the smallest circle, color it. Next, triangle. Color the smallest triangle. Next, pentagon. Color the smallest pentagon. Next, join the similar shape. See properly and join the similar shapes. Next, color triangle green color, circle red, and blue in rectangle. Here, color green color in triangle shape, and red color in circle shape, and blue color in rectangle shape. Make similar figures using the shape kit given at the back of this book. Okay, thank you.